When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care.
Hello, you guys. Today is February 8th, February 7th. It's Wednesday, February 7th. It is about 2:30. Just made a smoothie. I took a shower, did the dishes, made a smoothie. I got my packages, clothes. Yeah, my favorite place. So I'm gonna do a package opening, and then I want to do a try on video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just do a TikTok or include the haul into the vlog. And see how that does with being an upcoming content creator. I literally just be having like so many ideas of what I want to record, what I want to show, you know, involving lifestyle, fitness, fashion, girly stuff, beauty. Yes, and I got some footage to edit already, honestly. And I'm probably like behind like a week or two. I haven't posted in like 2 weeks, you guys, on YouTube. I posted on TikTok. Oh, okay. So I literally just ordered this stuff like 3 days ago. I don't think everything it's here. I have to check my phone. But yes, my eyes look low, you guys. Yes, I'm getting high. Literally high. But I got body butter, and this is like a purse size body butter. It's so cute. So cute. And this little thing was $22. I got it for, I'm gonna tell you guys. So I'm gonna take a picture of the receipt. But this little thing was $22. $22. My lip dry. My lips is dry. Yeah, I literally just got to show you guys. I didn't put no moisturizer on yet. I have to be like, I want to get into the habit of trying different scents. You know, what do I actually like? Like, what do I want to smell like? You know. So. Smells good. Stick. It smells good. It smells awesome. These two things are so cute. And it smells really good. And I have this one. Smell this one. Oh. This one's more like lotion. That's like a body butter. This is like a body, yeah, this is a body butter. And then this is the cream. Yeah. That's one thing I have to, like, since I work on my hands, I have to make sure I keep my hands moisturized, because they will get dry and look dry, you know. So yeah, you guys, I feel like I just got my nails did. I need to fill in already. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Maintenance and keeping up with maintenance, because I'm probably not gonna go until get my nails done until I take my hair down. I'm not taking my hair down until a week after fitting. So yeah, my hair grew out a lot though. I have a headband on right now, like the new growth, if new growth. For real. And I want to just get some, I want to just wear my real hair for like a week, and then I want to get some braids. But I don't want the bohemian braids. I just want the braids with the human curly hair at the end. I think that'd be cute. And I want some color, because I miss color. Maybe I should lighten my hair a little bit, my real hair. But yes, I like these two products. And let's open up this other box. I could probably find a receipt in here. And I like how, like here, when I get my packages, like they ring a buzzer and I'm able to hear that they outside. Like I like that a lot because, you know, other places I would have to like literally keep going downstairs. On my previous places, I had to literally keep going downstairs, keep checking my phone, you know? Okay, so these came. I have some clear containers as an organizer for the hallway closet. Yeah, and yeah, I have 3 of them. Organized. I just want everything nice and neat and organized. You know? Nice, neat, and organized. It's about this size. And I got about 3 of them. I feel like they can hold like my dental hygiene in one, and then in the other one I like my hair accessories, you know, all the little hair ties and hair bows and headbands and stuff. And then this one, it's just, we'll have to figure it out, you know, but I want them all next to each other. Like I'm gonna show you guys, like literally little row, or maybe one on each shelf, because I have like one shelf full of hair products, one shelf for the body products. So yeah, maybe I should just put 2 on the hair shelf and 1 on the body product shelf for my dental hygiene. But yeah, I can't wait to get a new purse. I already know a purse I'm about to get too. I'm gonna get the tote bag, the dupe off Amazon, because yes, why not? Why not? And this is not all the stuff. They be selling like 50% off DoorDash. Really, because I've been DoorDashing a lot lately. I haven't been going to no grocery store, and I'm gonna stop DoorDashing and go to the grocery store next week. Like literally. Okay. So, and I got some shoes, you guys. They didn't send a receipt for, it's nice little bag. Very soft. And that. But yeah, like workout shoes, I want something to cover my ankle. These motherfuckers barely touch my ankle. So I don't know. I might take them back and get a size 9. I might take them back. Just so I can like put some socks on with it, you know? I don't want to put socks on with those. They're so low. I feel like I'm gonna have to put on a specific type of sock, like an ankle sock or a footy, basically. Yeah, some footies. And the last thing is this everything? Oh yeah, this was everything. But this receipt, I did not get a receipt for this. I'm gonna look up online. The last thing I got is a wallet, just for my cards, like my Medicare cards and credit cards. Lauren. Yeah, nice little wallet. It is vegan leather, you know? Some compartments. Yes, I need all this space. All this. All that. And I literally only have, and it's not like a little pouch right here, it's just a line. But it's cute. And then it fit in my purse, really cute, really snug, not too big, you know. I wish these was a little bit bigger. Like, yeah, just a little bit bigger and a little bit deeper, you know. But it'd probably be a multi-use for multiple things. For real. Just put it where you see fit. Put it where you see fit. And my purse is right here. Let me get my purse. And this is my current purse. A bag. And yes, this fits in here. Nice and cute. I have my credit cards. Cause I've been keeping my cards like all together. And that's not good because you never know if they like the barcode is touching each other, and you don't need the barcode touching each other. So you need to put all these cards in here in my wallet. And it's body butter, or yes, body butter, and go in here. Okay, so cute. Actually, I have one in here, a body butter. It's this one. It's a shea butter. I got this from the Eastern Market. I like shopping with them down there. It's like small businesses, you know. And they be having good stuff. Like this smells so good. Like really, really good. Really, really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna put these to the side for next time. Or my next purse bag, the tote bag that I want to get. I want makeup vanity, and I don't have a makeup vanity, so I have to work very, very hard for this makeup vanity. And boxes right here, box full of makeup. Yep. Yeah, I'm going to do this try on haul. And it's like the angle. I'm just thinking about the angle. Like, how do I want to do it angle wise? You know? Horizontal or vertical. So, yeah. Smoothie bussin'. You know, I wish I had some ginger. I had that pineapple ginger, which is pretty good, but I wish I had some real ginger juice. I gotta get in touch with my cuz. With fresh ginger, not ginger juice. Okay, guys, I rearranged it. Yeah. So got the 3 acrylic containers on this side, which makes it look more neater, you know. And stuff. I put the candle. I've got a few. I got 2 wicked candles in the back. And once I'm done lighting up, once I'm done cleaning up, I'm gonna light that one right there. And guys, I did the try on haul and cleaned up. Everything's nice and clean, candle lit, and I'm about to get ready to go to work. And I showed you guys, you know, how I organized the hallway closet. Pack me a lunch. I finished my smoothie. I had water. And I had some popcorn. Pistachios. I'm gonna give me a bigger bag, you know, because I'll be carrying like my personal stuff in the front and not carrying my food in the actual insulated bag. Yeah, take up some snack so you can be starving at work. I need to work on eating portions, you know, but I just smashed the whole bag. Whole popcorn bag. And I'll show you guys the popcorn that was smashed in. Okay, we already have some stuff left over in the back. So we got some Lay's chips, we got pistachios, we got us popcorn, we got us some Frank's hot sauce, we need hot sauce. Now what else are we going to take? Takes a penne soup, broccoli cheddar soup. And a coconut water. What did you say? Apple slices, but yeah, let me see apple slices for now. We're gonna take 2 of these, 1 almond coconut and 1 caramel. Kind bars. I like almonds a lot. Yeah. Oh. And with our soup, I'm gonna take some of these grits. Put these in a sandwich bag. Make them with the soup. I need to get bigger bags. These are small. I'm back. And I like these soups too. Little soups. I'm trying different brands. I think I tried all the brand, but I tried this Campbell's Slow Kettle broccoli cheddar soup. It's pretty good. Okay, we got our lunch bag ready. We're putting it inside. This is our personal stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. See you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Click the like button and subscribe, please. And thank you.